Now you know about expiries, you know about touches. Let's get into touch and reverse. Or touch and retrace. Okay, now on your touch and retrace, here's what we're looking for. We're looking for price to touch a level, say this level 4 OTM or ITM line here, and then retrace and close back above it. It doesn't matter what the signal says, because if it touches the OTM line, we're looking for it to make a touch and then close back below it. So what we're going to do, we're just going to hide the signal line here. So now this is what we will see. This can be used with something called butterflies, which means you want price to stay within two certain points. I know that price, if it touches the ITM level 4 down here, it's going to bounce off that and reverse back up. You know, if we're buying, if the signal comes out in the middle here and it comes down to touch this, it's going to close above this area 55% of the time. Likewise, if it comes up and touches this area, I know it's going to close below this area 40% of the time. This is touch and retrace. Now let's look at a couple. Price went down here to touch the last red area right here. Did it close above it? No, it closed below it, so that was part of the losers down here. Right here, price touched the in the money yellow line and did close above it. That's part of the 55% win rate. You will see areas on the chart that don't have lines. It does not have the lines like this right here. For instance, you see these right here. That's because price never touched these areas up here. If price does not touch them, it's not going to draw a line. And this will help you in your back testing in the future. So it touched all of these lines. It never touched any of the lines up here. It touched all of the lines in this section, all of the lines in this section. It touched these lines and these two lines, but did not touch the two other lines above here. So let's do a little quiz here. We're going to scroll back here in time. We'll pick this signal right here. What is the win rate, or how often does price touch the OTM level 4 down here? How often? Touches it and reverses 40% of the time. So if I wanted to buy this whenever it comes down here, is it a good idea? No. It only does it 40% of the time. I would be better off selling it because it goes beyond that 59% of the time.